Hi, my name is Madeline Vahacek, and I picked Kathy Vahacek to be my most influential educator. She is my grandma, and I have been her office aide for 2 years. She is my grandma. She's been with me my entire life, so obviously she would be the most influential person I've had at this campus. She was there when I learned how to read. She taught me how to bake. The first time she ever taught me how to cook, she had stayed the night babysitting me and my siblings, and she taught us how to make pancakes in the morning. So I remember we woke up and we told her we wanted pancakes, and so she got out the bowl and she taught me how to crack the eggs and stir it all together, and she kind of spurred my love of cooking. So we like to cook together a lot. Every morning I see her for first period, and we have a cup of coffee together, and I get to see her do her job. She is so passionate, and it is so influential. I just hope one day I can be as passionate about my job as she is about hers. She really loves what she does, and you can tell every day she does her best work. She does everything almost perfectly. She works so well with others. She's really patient. She has every quality that I really want to have. She's sympathetic. She's my grandma. She's wonderful. And I'm so thankful to have her as my educator. Even though it might not have been in the classroom like everybody else's, she still played a huge role in my life.